right, yes, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. Welcome. Yes, big shout out to everyone who has been with me ever since we started. I've been so lost without posting for you tutorials, but here again, I'm back and we are good to go. We have to learn. And yes, if it's your first time to be on this channel, I would like you to make it a point by clicking on the red button, ring the bell so that you always be the first person to watch all my videos that I always upload. And yes, here we go. We are with the natural hair twist with a little bit of a human hair extension. And those ones who don't have the human extension, of course, they can always use those other synthetic hair extensions like the Afro Kinkies. It is also very nice when it comes to natural hair. And yes, so why we always add in this little natural hair extension is like for it to last long. That is the first thing. And this the second thing is that by the time we unbraiding, you find like your hair is safe. But all comes once you start with this method of inward knotless braiding. I know most of you guys have not yet tried this method, but trust me, it is very nice. And those ones who have tried it, they can really testify. You know, it is a method that you can always braid after the hair has grown. It has some growth. You can even lock it after, so you find like the hair is going to overstay. And this is the same method when you find like maybe the hair has grown. You find it like have you ever seen the hair is old but looking very nice? That's what this method can give you. So it is better to learn this kind of method. It is going to help you a lot when it comes to your natural hair extensions with natural hair with some extension. And still, you can always apply this same method on your natural hair only. Yes, I've been seeing like there's some people who do they start with the knotless method and then they start twisting. Okay, but trust me, you can start with this method and you thank me later. And I've seen also the others who start with the twist from down. Okay, it is also nice and protective, but trust me, when it comes to long lasting and something that is going to last for you for a long time, this is the very nice method that you can always use. And trust me, it is going to make it right for you. And again, don't miss out our lives, the one we always have. Yes, every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, you're missing a lot. We always have like these methods live. You see them, I'm doing them, and they will really going to help you. So you see how I always separate the hair into 3 portions, and then you start doing the braiding. So as you're braiding, we always don't have to show the threes. Like, you don't have to show the braiding. You don't have to braid more because you don't need it to show. So you just stop it. You can see how it looks, and then you start doing the twisting. But trust me, once you do this, it very nice and it lasts long. I have those people who have plaited this hair with a little bit of extension, and even goes to those ones with fine hair. Of course, those ones with fine hair, they always fear to do like natural hair twists with their hair, because they feel like after doing it, it's going to be few on the head. So when you try to add in this extension, like a small extension, you find like it creates that volume, and then you find it very nice on your head. So it is better you also opt to do this with extension, and trust me, you won't get scared like the way you are when it comes to your real natural hair. Yes, and finally, it is protective. Of course, it is a protective hairstyle. Why you see me wrapping down, I don't like twisting. Like those ones who have been doing it. Me as myself, I don't like the twisting when you find like the tip down. It is somehow curly, not even very curly, but you find like it looks funny. So what I always do is to wrap it back, and you find it looking very nice, as you can see. So the next step that I always go for is the inward knotless cornrows. This is also different from the cornrows that you've been doing. If you try to look at it very well, it is totally different from the one you have been doing. So that's why I always try to tell you that there are a lot of methods that maybe you have not yet seen, and if you learn how to do them, they are also going to change your kind of braiding. So this is what I got for you. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and you can enjoy the video seeing how the style is going to come out. And I believe to those ones who can look and understand, they will already know what they can do to their natural hair. What I cannot forget about it all, we should always remember that finishing is the most wanted part. You can do everything, you make your lines perfect, you do everything, you start twisting very neat things, but once your finishing is not proper, trust me, all the work is done badly. You get it? So we should always learn how to do good finishing. And then I cannot forget this, is that as you're trying to arrange these braids, you just have to arrange them like in the imagination of hair, because we all know that in the middle the hair is thick and long a little bit. It cannot be, the height of the middle cannot be the same height on the side. So that means your twists also, if you want them to look natural, though there is an extension, you have to plait them just moving with that same theory of, like, if I'm in the middle, my twist is going to be a little bit bigger or maybe longer, and then when I'm on the sideways, it's supposed to be shorter, because accordingly we all know that on the sides is where the hair, like, it is not longer than the one in the middle. So the one in the middle is always thick and long. So those are the things that you can do, and say, and yes, you maintain this hairstyle. You find your hairstyle is looking very, very perfect. It is just because of all that. So you can see I'm doing the cornrows, but I'm not adding anything, because I know that these cornrows are like that, they do last longer. So for now, I'm gonna be signing out. May the Lord bless you all. Let me catch up with you on the live streamings. Yes, I'll be there waiting for you. Bye bye. See you in my other next video. Project Master.
A little loving, oyagala kola ka video shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. Mukono mukugo gumanyiche kukola. Kitakiwa crochet master, yakugu kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius, akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, ewa crochet master. Come on. Jangu. Together. Maurice. Yeah, one time, you know. Youngster. Oh na. Yeah. One time, baby. Yeah. Hey, baby Chana, ya pretty Chana. Olabika bulungi uma baby Chana. Okulidiwa kaviri gwe koyolesa. Manikiwa pedikiwa nga tabu. Basi bobuviri mwato buliyo. Basi bemisono mwato jiriko. Hair by clippers, we body go. If you wanna trend in style and fashion, balloon daddy. Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers. Bally neat like expected. Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers. Bally neat like expected, neat like expected. Yeah. Oh na 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 na, neat like expected. Yeah. They want crochet master, a big one. Yeah yeah. Oh na 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 na. Yeah. Hair by clippers. Oh na 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 na. Hair by clippers. Bally neat like expected. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. Oh no no no. Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking. Yeah. Oh, you get the one boy I can. Morris the crochet master did